Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are well. Nail Reserve was kind enough to send me over some new gel polishes. I will be unboxing these for you today and doing a quick nail design. So if you want to see, please keep on watching.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah. I like the view. I like the view.
Alright, pardon my voice guys, I still have a little bit of a sore throat, so I'm going to quickly get into the swatching. I'm loving the rebrand. As you guys would have known, this would have been Nail Addict, and now they've rebranded to Nail Reserve. So I'm going to go through all of these gorgeous colors, starting off with this orange. There's a hint of shimmer in this one, absolutely pretty. All of these colors I picked out myself, but it was a while back when I picked these out, so I can't really remember everything. I am so impressed with all of the colors. Now, some of them did need at least 2 coats, and some of them I could have gotten away with 1 coat. But for the swatching, I will let you enjoy these gorgeous colors, and then we'll get into a quick nail design. This one is a gorgeous ice mint color. I absolutely loved this color. And just so that you know, if you are new to the brand, Nail Reserve is vegan and cruelty free. Their polishes come in these wonderful 15 ml bottles, which I really appreciate. And they have a good opacity and good quality, high quality to their gel polishes. If you happen to fall in love with any of these colors in this video, I do have a discount code. I will have that linked down in the description box. How stunning is this color here? Absolutely gorgeous. And I love the names that they've given these gel polishes. All right, let's continue to enjoy these beautiful swatching. So up next we have Electric Rose, and this one is a beautiful pink color. This color definitely reminded me of a bubblegum and even like a little soft Barbie pink, you know? Beautiful color, and it's going on really smoothly, and you can get away with 1 coat of this particular color. Moving along, this one is called Her Destiny, and I was really excited for this one because I don't really have any peachy colors, and I wanted to do a peach set. So when I saw this color, I was like, this is absolutely perfect color for a peach set. Going on smoothly once again. So up next, this is the color Sparkles, and this is such a gorgeous color. This definitely reminded me of like satin sheets, silky satin sheets. This is a stunning color, and I highly recommend because this would be perfect for bridal nails, wedding nails, as well as like elegant nails. It has the perfect amount of subtle shimmer. Moving right along to our glitter, and this one is Golden Crowned, and this was such a beautiful peachy color. I absolutely loved this color. It's very translucent, and there is a hint of gold speckles, gold little glitters inside it. I thought it was such a beautiful, soft color and can be worn on any skin tone. Such a beautiful gel. And we have another glitter, and this one is Diamonds and Breakfast. Another beautiful color. This was such a pleasant surprise. This has like this purple shift to it. I forgot the term, holographic or iridescent. This one is from the Nail Gods. Absolutely stunning color. I'm going to do a set with just this glitter on in the background. Beautiful. Highly recommend. All right, after curing under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds, here is a final look at all of these gorgeous color. We have quite a mix. We have some neutrals, we have some elegant ones, we have some summer. They're so pretty. So here are the colors that I picked out. You know I had to go for the peachy one. You know I had to get a glitter. And of course I had to try that white silky one. And then Sea Swing and Sun. This is a holy grail product for me. I always reach for this bottle. I have two bottles actually, and I'm almost out of both of them. So it is definitely a favorite. I highly recommend that one. All right. So for this nail design, we're going to do something really peachy, which I haven't done yet, and really soft and elegant. So I'm starting off by applying a thin layer of base gel to all of the nails, and then I will cure this under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to do the thumb first, just so that I can show you the nail design, and then we're going to breeze through the other fingers. After I'm done curing that base gel layer, now we're going to go in with at least a layer of this Sea Swing and Sun, and then we're going to take Golden Crown, which is that gorgeous shimmery gel polish, and we're just going to layer that over that jelly nude brown that we applied. After the thumb has been cured, I'm now going to go ahead and grab Sparkles, which is that beautiful satin white, and we're just going to add some of this onto my little nail art palette here. What I want to do is I want to do a little bit of a crocodile, but I want it to be a wavy crocodile. I've seen this look on Instagram for a while now. So I'm going to take my dotting tool and we're going to add some white dots to the nail. Now, I don't have a blooming gel or watercolor gel from Nail Addict, so I'm just going to grab the one that I have nearby, and I'm going to add a wavy line of this blooming gel to my nail, and we're going to go ahead and dot the white gel polish onto that. Thought this was such a soft and elegant and easy look. I think anyone can do this look. And like I said, I've been seeing this on Instagram for quite some time now. A few of my favorite accounts styled by Eyeliny. I definitely saw her do something like this. So I wanted to give it a try. And I'm actually going to try this a little bit more with some brighter colors as well, some summery colors. So like I said, you apply the blooming gel, you put on your little dots, you let it bloom for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to cure that under the UV lamp. Once I have that blooming gel cured, I'm now going to go in with my top gel and cover the entire nail. All right, so now let's move on to the other fingers. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of base gels to the nails, give them a cure, and then we'll move on to the gel polish. After curing the base gel, I will now go in with the Sea Swing and Sun, that jelly nude, and I will go over all 4 of the nails. Now I'm going to grab Golden Crown, which is that glittery peachy gel polish, and I'm going to go over all of the nails except the ring finger. The ring finger, I will go in with a second layer of the Sea Swing and Sun, the jelly brown nude gel polish. For the design for my pinky finger, I will be doing the exact same thing that I did on my thumb. I'm just going to take some of this blooming gel. We're going to go ahead and dot some of that white gel polish onto the nail. All right, let's move on to the other fingers. I want to do some Frenches onto the index and the middle finger. So I'm going to use Her Destiny, which is that peachy orange color. We're just going to add some onto this palette, draw my lines, and then we're going to fill in the rest with the gel polish brush. Once I'm done curing, I also want to add in the blooming crocodile print to this nail as well. So we're going to do this as a wavy crocodile print. I'm going to take my blooming gel once again. We're just going to draw a wavy line of that blooming gel onto the French part of this nail. And then we'll go in with that white gel polish once more again. We're kind of doing the exact same thing throughout the entire nail design. And finally, for my ring finger, we're just going to add some, charms, embellishments that I have here. So I'm going to grab my rhinestone glue and I'm also going to grab my top coat. And we're just going to add that on to the nail and finish this nail design. I wanted to add some flowers just to give this a nice elegant look. I feel like white flowers just does the job, and it's going to complement that white gel polish that we used to accent the other nails as well. So I have these flowers here. I also have some pearly roses, similar to the texture of the satin color, or similar to the color of that satin gel polish. I'm going to use my rhinestone glue and my top coat. We're just going to finish this ring finger off by adding in some flowers, some gold caviar beads, and some satin roses. Right, I'm finishing off this nail design by adding in a few of these goldish flat back rhinestones. They have like a pink shift to them, a little bit pinky peachy shift to them. All right, anyway, again, thank you to Nail Reserve for sending these amazing gel polishes over for me to review. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I will see you in the next video.